Hi, now in this video you will learn the tool rotate in the AutoCAD. As on the screen you can see that the rotate tool is for rotating the objects around a base point which is called a pivot point. According to that point we can rotate to any angle. You can see here you are having a two horizontal lines, horizontal line AB and a horizontal line CD and the vertical line PQ and a triangle with vertices ABC, also a text. Now you will see one by one how to rotate. Suppose now this one, the angle is having 0 degrees. Now if you want to make this as inclined line at an angle of 35 degrees, this horizontal line if you want to rotate to 35 degrees, what is the procedure? RO. The command is RO rotate. Yes. Now select objects. Before going that, we'll activate the command line. Yeah. RO, enter, select objects. Yes, selected, and then along with the line I am going to rotate the text also. Select the text. Now I selected these three objects. Along with the line, the text also has to be rotated. Now the three objects selected, three total. Enter. Now it is asking specify base point, from which point the line has to rotate, either this point or this point. Now I am going to take this point. This will be the stationary and this point will move. See here I am checking the specify as base point this one, and now rotation angle it is asking. I am giving 35 degrees. See, now it rotated to 35 degrees. To confirm, just draw a very small line, dimension angular DAN. See, 35 degrees. So we rotated choosing a base point as A and B point moves 35 degrees. Now again the same I will do it here. Rotate, select this object, select this object, select this object. Yes, press enter. Previously I selected A as a base point, means like C. Now I am going to select the D as a base point. Yes, now the same 35 degrees. See, now it rotates in this direction because as we discussed, the default direction in the AutoCAD is anti-clockwise. Whenever you are giving the angle, it moves in this direction, So that's why when I choose this as a base point, the angle moves in this direction, anti-clockwise direction. Now you can measure the angle. DAN. See, 35 degrees. Now this vertical line, now if you want to change into horizontal line, just rotate, select the everything, enter. Now I am taking this as a base point. Now you can turn in this direction or in this direction. As I said, if you give the 90 degrees to make it as a horizontal line, it will turn in this direction because anti-clockwise. Suppose if you want this in this direction, I am going to give minus 90. You can see this one will fall the right hand side. See, now it turns this minus 90 because clockwise. When you specify minus, the angle will go in the clockwise direction. Yeah, this is all about the lines. Suppose now you are having a triangle. Here the side AC is horizontal, and if you want to make it as inclined, now rotate, enter, selected all the objects, enter, and now if you take the specifying base point here, the angle as 35 degrees. See, the complete polygon rotated from the base point. you can check the angle also, DAN. See, 35 degrees. And now we are having a text here, engineering graphics. Suppose the text has to be 35 degrees. By mistake you have written in the 0 degrees. If you want to rotate, just RO, enter, select, yes, specify base point, the starting point, specify the base point, make it as a 45 degrees. See, the text rotated to 45 degrees. Suppose if you want to measure the angle, take the line, shift less than 45 degrees, DAN. That's it. So this is all about the rotate in the AutoCAD.